Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing using your PLR as a second or third upsell in your marketing funnel. Now there are going to be times when you're going to run out of content or any acceptable offer to add to your product launch. And just as a point of reference, most marketers add at least one upsell to their product. However, as you know, there are several parts to the standard theory of upsells in information products. While there are no hard and fast rules on how to create upsells in your business, most successful information products follow a pretty predictable pattern. After a buyer has purchased a front-end product, they'll typically be shown an upsell product. While the front end is typically a base model or basic model, the upsell is typically the upgraded, fully featured Pro version. Most marketers will already have this in place when they're putting their marketing funnel together for their product. Now, it's after that point that marketers and or entrepreneurs tend to have gaps in their offering or in their funnel. Now, the second upsell should typically be some kind of DFY or done-for-you implementation of the product. And this means that you have basically in this upsell made it easier and convenient for your buyer to get the results that you promised. Savvy marketers can or will use PLR as either the entire DFY solution or as a major part of it. Now, in some cases, there is even a third upsell, which is typically designed to help the customer maintain their results. Now, this means that the buyer is going to need some kind of resource on a regular basis, and that's going to require them, of course, to pay on a regular basis. Now, the content or membership can be as simple as you uploading content into a Facebook group or into a membership site. Alternatively, it can be as simple as delivering a link once monthly via an autoresponder. Regardless of the how, the third upsell can be content that you purchase and provide to your buyers via the membership process. Now, if you're going to have buyers pay you on a regular basis, you'll want to deliver new premium content on a regular basis. And you can use PLR to serve as that content for you. Now, for all intents and purposes, what you're offering in the third upsell is going to be a membership of some kind. And so that requires you to be able to source content, make sure it's of high quality, and to deliver it to your buyer. And in order to leverage your time, and often even to provide the highest quality to your customer, you want to consider buying high quality PLR or resale rights content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.